Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for viewing this beautiful 2012 Toyota Sienna ramp van by Braunability. This van was owned and operated by a personal friend of mine, very well maintained. Obviously, it's a Toyota Sienna. It's on right now, as you can hear it. 160,000 miles in the odometer, just getting cracked in on this Toyota Sienna van. See, it has the Altezza style headlights, taillights, I'm sorry. This is a sport edition. It has the ramp van right there in the back of that door. I'll show you how that operates. But this vehicle is in great condition. Beautiful headlights, those are tinted. That was an option for this year. Fog lights on the bottom. You got your 17-inch alloy wheels. On the interior, wonderful condition. Power windows, power locks, of course. Toyota interior. It's a 50-50 leather type cloth deal here, but very cold AC. You guys know Toyota and Lexus all have very nice cold operational AC. There's the rear. These two seats right here can come out, the front driver's side and the passenger side. Driver's side, which I'm sitting in, they both come out if you want them to. If you don't, you don't have to. Anybody can be strapped in there in a wheelchair or any type of scooter. If you want to transport a scooter, you can do that. Other than that, 160,000 miles in the odometer. The only light we have on is a TPMS sensor, and I'll probably fill the air up and get that off. Sorry about that. To operate the ramp, all you got to do, you got one of three switches. There's one right there that I just pressed. There's also one right there. And there's one up on the driver's side. So that goes down, and our friends in a handicap scooter or a handicap wheelchair, they can come on in here. And we can strap them down, or they can drive, whatever they like to do. So that is operational. It's about a $7,500 option for these vans if you guys are shopping for them. Back tailgate. It's going up there. Take you to the back there, show you the rear. If you like this van, give me a call anytime. My name is Rick. The phone number is 954-394-6581. I've shipped these vans all across the United States, no matter what state you're in. I get shipping for about $1.25 a mile from zip code 33062. There's the rear. You got a full-size spare tire in here, jack on this side. Fire extinguisher was left in there by the old owner. These seats do also come out, or you can lay them down, whatever you feel. And there we go there. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a little test drive now. AM, FM, Bluetooth audio, of course. You can talk to the Bluetooth through your speaker here, where you can call your friends and family so you don't have to hold your phone while you're driving. And 160,000 miles in the odometer. And this thing drives wonderful. I just actually took it to Orlando and back over the past 2 days. And we will start selling this now. So if you like this vehicle, please give me a call. It's 394-6581. 954-394-6581. I also pick up at Fort Lauderdale International Airport. If you would like to fly in and drive it home, it's not a problem at all. But if you would like to have it shipped, we can go ahead and arrange that. Once again, I thank you for viewing this video. I hope you guys love the van. If you have any questions, please call me, and have a wonderful day.